Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, viewing and testing of this night provision model BX-300 rechargeable LED backlight set, amber side lighting. Well, we've got a CREE XP-G2 LED 300 lumens, a wide angle headlight with the amber side alert, rechargeable lithium polymer battery, adjustable handlebar mount. Fits to 12 and 32 millimeters. Power supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Nice packets. Take 10% of all night provision products. That's nice. Another card says 10% off on Amazon. Search on Amazon for a USB flashlight. Scroll and select this flashlight. Use this code. Amazon. Write a customer review. That's very important for us, of course, the reviews on Amazon. And we've got some instruction. The battery is 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamps, lithium ion polymer. Approximately is 3.8 hours using USB to fully charge it. Some instruction how to use your kit with safety and long life. Let's see one by one. There is the micro USB charging port, quite small. Of course, you don't need a big cable. It's good for the environment. We've got two of these inside. The other is less thinner from the other and longer. Okay. I suppose this is for the front light. And there is a front light, quite heavy, I like it. Feels good to my hand, the materials, the metal, the plastic. It leaves nice feeling. You can see the main LED, we've got some Allen screws here, and here we've got another two lights. Very easy to fit it to your bike. LED CREE XP-G2, input is 5 volt 1 amp. You can charge it to your power bank, PC, laptop, whatever you've got. The power button on off. Now let's see the backlight. Oh, beautiful backlight. I love the design. You can see the LEDs. Same here to fit. We got the micro USB for charging. And here I can see the micro USBs from the back. On-off switch. You can rotate it wherever you want to put it. Here. It's your way, what you choose. Night provision logo. Oh, nice. It feels very nice to my hand, and the design, it looks great. Oh, let's see. The light now, high beam, middle, low, flashing, and you can see in the flashing it has these two LEDs color yellow. If I push it another time, it stays on the main and is flashing the right and the left small LEDs, and turn it off. You can see we've got a green light when it's on. Well, let's put it to my power bank. Charging is very easy, of course, nothing to worry. And there is blinking red. Assuming when it goes to full charge, it will go green. That's nice. Let's see, and the other unit. You can see this is the red beam, the white, now it's flashing the red, flashing slower with a rhythm. I like it. And it's flashing the red and the cool white. That is like a police car. If it has a little bit of blue, it will be like a police car. And again, it stays on the red, lower stays on the cool white, and again it's flashing. To turn it off, just hold the button and it will turn off. Of course, I will show you at the night how it looks. That is important. Let's see how it's charging and this. Oh, one LED goes red. Nice. I will fully charge it, of course, both of them. And we're going to see how it goes at the night. And of course I will assemble it to my bike to see how it looks. And let's check first the front light. Quite bright, you can see. The middle, low, flashing. Steady, and is flashing the right and left, and off, and again high beam, middle, lower, flashing, stays on, flashing the red and the left, yellow, and off. Now we can check the backlight. You can see how it's flashing. The first mode. The second mode is like a police car. The only thing that is missing is the blue color. Here is the red, it stays only on. Then is the lower beam, it stays only on. Then is the cool white beam, it stays only on. Then we've got the red beam is flashing fast. And again is the red beam is flashing randomly. Well, installing into the bike is very easy. You can see it's rubber. With one move you can lock it, and that is all. Very easy. You can take it out. And through the back of the bike you can see the same thing, rubber here. Takes only 2 seconds and you're good to go. Well guys, that was all about this night provision model BX-300. This is an LED bike light set. What else a biker needs for his bike? It is rechargeable, it has a high beam, varieties of modes to choose at the night, and definitely drivers, it will see you. If you want to learn more where to buy this product, you can check down below to the description all the information you need to know. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell. More coming and don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.